Okay, so may nagtanong sa akin kung after 1 year, ito yung mga natutunan niya, solid progress na daw ba yun? Actually, kahit isa lang yung natutunan mo dyan, solid progress pa rin yun. Kasi at the end of the day, it's up to you kung kailan mo gusto mag-shift. So, sabihin natin, ikaw, ang goal mo is after 1 year, pwede ka na mag-shift. So, yung mga natutunan mo, actually, lahat ng yan is job ready. Meaning, pwede ka na maghanap ng work as a full stack developer or a junior software developer. Basta may portfolio ka, maayos resume mo, tapos praktisado ka sa interviews, all good ka na. And then, for someone na binanggit ko kanina, kahit HTML lang yan, in 1 year ka na dyan. Kahit CSS lang yung natutunan mo, in 1 year ka na dyan. Okay lang yun. I've had some viewers na minessage ako. They're stuck with JavaScript and Python for like several months. And okay lang yun. Kasi hindi tayo pare-parehas ng learning capacity, ng sitwasyon, tsaka ng oras. So yung iba, they can only give so much time sa pag-aaral, sa pag-upskill, kasi marami silang other things to worry about like their responsibilities or their full-time work or yung lahat ng yun ng sabay-sabay. Kaya at the end of the day, maliit man yan o malaki, progress is still progress. Good luck!